I just did a 30-minute video, but it was too long, so I'm going to try to send this to YouTube so I can send you a link. Anyway, just want to show you what I was doing. Okay, I'm going to give you access to all these. Batchdailer you already have, obviously. Prop stream, you probably won't need it. Batch leads, okay. So what I just did was I took all the vacant properties out of the list that you're calling, the Successors data list, right? And just so you know, you haven't seen it yet, this is Successors data, okay? So what I'm going to have us do, this is actually one that's in the vacant, this is a vacant property. Okay, so this is 1204 Channing Cope. Okay, so what I wanted to show you here, tomorrow I don't want you doing the 3-line dialer. I want us to go down to a 1-line dialer with this, called the preview dialer. And I want us to kind of scrub this data somewhat, okay? Because we might get one deal out of these 20 leads here, okay? So what we want to do is, we have 4 phone numbers. Now let's go to over here, all right, and look. Now, oh, this is a mobile home. Oh, I don't say that. All right, well, even if it's a mobile home, whatever, we buy those too. So this is like a trailer, right, on some land, hopefully. So anyway, we'll call them anyway. But this is just just an example. We're going to call these people. And now look, this has only got one person. This is the guy that passed. He's dead. So look, we can call him. We've got 4 phone numbers for him. But what's the point? Yeah, maybe it's a landline. Yeah, maybe we get, maybe we get his mom's number. I mean, not his mom, but maybe his son picks up the phone, right? Who knows? But those 4 phone numbers are attached to Alice Davis, right? This is Alice Davis's house, right? Her trailer. So, manufacturer, legal description, manufactured home. So that's a trailer. Land, lot size, lot acre, so almost 3 acres. That's nice. I could probably go for $50,000. Estimated equity is $100,000. Okay. Anyway, look, this is what I want to work on on. I got to keep this short. All right. I typed in the address, so I went to True People Search. Let me show you from the jump. 204 Channing Cope Road, Covington, Georgia. Okay, now look. I typed in the address. This is what we got. Polly Davis, she's 88. That's a woman's name. Alice Renette Davis, that's the one that passed. 88 as well. So either these girls are sisters, and George was married to both of them, or who knows, right? But we know she's passed. And her numbers are probably the numbers that we've got. Let's look. Yes, I'm a human, I think. All right, we're not doing all this. So it's probably going to give us those 3 numbers for her, or 4 numbers. What we might wind up doing, if you call those 4 numbers, and what I'll have you do is go through Batchdailer, and we'll actually call. When you do that single line dialer, you're going to hit Start Campaign on the Successors data vacant, and you're going to hit this. You're going to hit Call down here in that little phone box down here in the bottom right, and it's going to call. And guess what you can do? Leave a voicemail. Hey, this is Marie. Please give me a call back. Wonder if you might be interested in selling your property. Okay. If you know it's an actual number, hey, we'll save it. Right? And I wish there was even a way we could take a note of, hey, that's an actual number. You call this one. This number has been disconnected. Okay, we want to delete that number. We want to scrap it. It's trash. And so you call another one. You're getting hold of nobody, right? Well, what we might do is, we got 5 phone numbers. Say we get 2 phone numbers at work. Why don't we go down here and see what's up with George, right? Or Polly. Polly might be living there now. Hers popped up top. Okay? So she might be the current. She might be who's living there now. Who knows? So, motor bus, yeah. This is stupid. You serious? Motor bus. Oh, that's a bus. Jeez Louise. Okay. So look what Polly's got. Polly's got one number. 0566. Okay, we already got her number. So, okay, this is probably the landline then, right? She's got a trailer. She might want to sell it. But you kind of see what I'm saying here, right? So let's go to another one. And we click, all right, next call down here in our little call box. Next number, right? It's going to take you to the next lead. Say if it does, right? Say it takes us to East Starmount, 1948, East Starmount. So what you can do is go up here, East Starmount, strange word. Oh, great. Clearing your cookies. I don't even know what this means. Not very savvy with computers, you have to forgive me. But we'll do the same thing, okay, Marie? We'll look for this property, Starmount. You can just type in Starmount. All right, sorry, here we go. Starmount. It'll pull it up, right? It's an indicator. Okay, this is richer area, not richer, but closer into the city. All right, so you click on that. That's what you get. It takes you to Google when you click on the address. But this is what we want here. This is what we're interested in, right? Restivo, Marion, and Holly. Holly Restivo and Marion Restivo. So they put the last name first. Then they've got Marion. Now you can click on this and find out who died. This is the value here, right? Let's try the top one. Marion. Now, I don't know how intense this is going to be. This seems kind of like a waste down here. Raven. I have no Raven out there. These Spires, is that it? That's Marion or Holly Restivo. Control F. How does my wife do that? Control F. Anyway, you kind of see my point here, right? We'll call through. Let's call through these first because these might be good. These might be good leads, and then we can just go back. Then we can go back and do the 3-line dialer. But I think that's promising. I think that's kind of a good approach. It might be too slow. Might be a waste of time. But you know, we can get a little bit more info on these. So let's first go over that list. I already exported it, so it should be here now in the dialer. Vacant Successors data, that's where I put it. Yeah, new leads. Okay, so we'll try that out tomorrow. And I'll put single line dialer. Okay, I'm going to hang up so it doesn't go over 15 minutes. Thanks, bye.